Hi, I'm the guy next door. If I can cook, you can cook too. Today, our recipe will be green dragon in milk bath.
If you feel lonely, I will be here and wait for the
First,
sun.
we put the cooking oil onto the hot pan.
Closer, but it will never last down. Here by the ocean, fire is burning, flares in the wind.
Throw in the thinly sliced garlic and the sliced white onions.
Looking to the rising sun, this is where we belong. We belong. A new day will soon begin. That's what I've been here for all along. I have no doubt.
Then, we put in the shredded carrots, baby corns, and the raisins.
Fires burn out. Days like this will slowly fade away. Memories will always stay the same.
At this stage, we throw in the assorted fish balls. You can use any types of fish balls that you like. For me, these are squid balls.
Here by the ocean, fire is burning, flares in the wind.
Time to put in the star of the show, green dragons. This vegetable has a mild taste of leeks and chives.
I have no doubt.
Now sprinkle in the salt.
You really wanna stay.
Now stir and mix all the ingredients together.
Fires burn out. Days like this will slowly fade away. Memories will always stay the same. Always stay the same.
Time to pour in the cup of milk and half a cube of chicken stock and butter.
If you feel lonely, I will be here and wait.
Stir it well and add a piece of sliced cheese.
It's getting closer, but it will never last.
Cover to simmer for about 10 seconds.
If you feel lonely, I will be here and wait for the sun. It's getting closer, but
And yes, it's done.
it's down. Here
Okay, so I've just shown you a very nice recipe for you to make by yourself. You can share with your friends, with your lover, with your family, and it can be a side dish, and it also can be a main dish. Look at all the ingredients. So we are bathing the green dragons in milk, okay? And before I taste it, if you like what I've just shared with you, kindly like and share my videos. Please subscribe to my channel and do comment after you have cooked it, or you have other recipes that you want to share with me. Okay? Now let's taste the food. Green dragon in my mouth. Nice, warm. This is one vegetable that I would recommend for anybody who wants to cook something that is light, and very refreshing with a little bit of milk taste. And my special ingredient, don't forget the little piece of cheese. Okay, all in. Try it yourself. It's good.